Hey, what's going on, guys? Pig Gamer here, and today I am reviewing Lego Overwatch Hanzo vs. Genji, set number 75971. It contains 197 pieces, and it is recommended 8 and up. So, it looks like we have some sort of Chinese or Japanese kind of temple, it looks like. Looks like we get 3 minifigures. There's Hanzo, Genji, and some random person. Take a look in the back. We get a nice picture of these two coming at each other. Here is the instruction manual. Just a standard, typical old instruction manual. Pretty cool. Now let's take a look at the minifigures. So here we have the minifigures. Let's take a look at Hanzo. So here's Hanzo. Let me see if I can get a... There we go. Got a nice expression on the face. He's got a little golden ribbon connected to his hair. Got a nice printed piece with some sort of arm, a robotic arm of some sort. He's got a, the fuck is this thing? Like a quibbler or something? I don't know. None of these minifigures have a facial expression or having a second facial expression. He also comes with a dark blue bow. As you can see, I really like this bow. I like it a lot. So that's Hanzo. Here we have Genji. Really nice printing on the torso. He's got, I don't know what this is in the game, some sort of helmet or it's just like his actual head, but we take this off. It's actually just a standard silver headpiece. There's no facial expression or anything like that. Let's see if we can get this back on without dropping it, that is. There we go. He also comes with, he's also got a ribbon as well. He also comes with a sword thing, or sword, or a thing to hold your sword, which Genji comes with a lime green katana. So here he is holding the katana, and he also comes with a few shurikens or ninja stars. Pretty cool. And last but not least, we have this random dude just running away from the chaos. So he's got nice slick hair. He's got a scared facial expression. He's got a nice black suit, which is really nice because I've been dying to get my hands on this kind of suit. Again, he doesn't have a facial expression or a secondary facial expression. He also comes with a a gun, and a cell phone. Pretty cool. Now let's take a look at the Chinese temple. So here we have the Chinese temple. So we got some lights over here. Looks like some sort of thing to put your weapons on. Got some pots. We got a nice sign right here. Now these two are stickers. They are not printed. This, however, right here is printed. As you look right there, you can see that right there, that is also printed. Nothing really too exciting going on the back. So it looks like there is some things to shoot stuff out of. So if we take one of these and we just put it in there, like so. Alright. And if we pull this or push this, that shoots out. Yeah, that is pretty much it with the temple. And here we have some extra pieces. So it looks like we get 2 of these ribbon type pieces, one in gold and one in silver. We get 4 of these cylinder pieces, 2 in blue and 2 in green. We got 4 of those. We got 3 extra shurikens. We also get one of these arm pieces. One of these studs with, I don't know, this thing on top of it. We get a Technic pin. We get another one of these. Oh, wait. We get a 1x1 gray flat plate, or round flat plate. We got another one of these printed pieces. We get 2 studs, one in gray and one in transparent yellow. We get a Technic pin, a black slope, a dark red stud with the hole going through it, and a stud or whatever that has this thing sticking out on the side. So this ends the review for Lego Overwatch. Hanzo vs. Genji, set number 75971. It contains 197 pieces, and its recommended ages 8 and up. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, press that like button. I did that a little bit too aggressive. Yeah, if you like this video, press that like button. Comment and subscribe. This is Pig Gamer, and I will see you all later. He missed. Good job, buddy.